So I'm not at home, as you can see, but we are making some recipes in my makeshift space. I'm currently taking a culinary medicine course. Well, it's a conference actually, doing it virtually. So I'm working on my recipe, and so I will show you what we got cooking. Got some fresh veggie spring rolls. And look at that background. Isn't it beautiful? See if I can get it. So that makes it even better. So back to business. So I got my tofu. You can see here. This is the rice paper, which makes the spring roll. I've been having some trouble with it. It's been sticking together. So we will see how this goes. I got some radicchio. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's a leafy, kind of cabbagey lettuce material from fresh cucumber, which I'm actually gonna slice because these spring rolls are a lot smaller than what I'm used to. Used to the big old one, so it gives me more time. Don't do that with your knife, by the way, my bad. Some carrots, peppers, and the secret is in the mango. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm telling you, the rolling's been a trip today. I think I've already wasted like 4, so the bigger ones definitely give you more space. We'll make it work, I think. It says you're supposed to roll it like a burrito, but I don't know about that. All right, there we go. Oh, I forgot the mint. So we'll just put that on. Try to squeeze it on there in a minute when it's more settled. That's beautiful spring roll. Not the most formed, but it works. Then I have this fennel that I used for a salad. I'm gonna top it on there. And it's easy. Fresh, no cooking, no heat. And you can make it with some soy sauce or make a little bit of a peanut sauce, and it's delicious. So just wanted to share my recipes from the sky. As you can see. Let's see. I gotta learn how to use this thing better. Thank y'all for watching.